Hello everyone, this is Adam from Somani Tech. From AliExpress I ordered this drone camera and I got it in the mail. I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. It just came to the mail today. Instructions all in Chinese. I was expecting a big drone like seen on the website. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my drone. That's my drone camera. That's the camera right there. So I use this for my project. Taking pictures, videotaping for my website. When I first opened it, I thought it's like some kid's toy. So I don't know if it's gonna be a real one. And it says high definition camera, but I doubt it. It's such a small. And it has a USB cable, so you can download your videos to your laptop. It's not expensive. It's only $25. It's only $25.99 US dollars. So I thought it's gonna be a real big drone camera, because I travel a lot and in some destinations like Maldives and Zanzibar and Bahamas, Bermuda. You need a drone like this one to capture the whole picture. Well, I'm gonna try it and see if it works. Thank you very much for watching. So my website is in the link below. It's somanitravel.com, and my YouTube channel is also below. Somani Travel, youtube.com/Somani Travel. And thank you very much for watching this video. So this is what I got in the box. Like I said, the USB cable, remote control, 4 extra blades, tools and protectors, and the most important thing is the drone. But when I unpack it, apparently this has no camera, so it's a useless. So I paid $30 US and I got this, a tiny drone, maybe a tiny drone camera with no camera. and plus all the accessories. So just a reminder, whenever you buy online, just make sure to message the seller and tell them you want exactly what is shown on the website, no less. So over, like you all can see, it says drone camera blue color has HD camera, which is a lie. So the remote control is bigger than the drone. Well, probably you get what you pay for it.